Good night. My last vacation was in the city of Cartagena. There I visited various tourist sites, enjoyed nautical activities, and ate several typical dishes of the city. I toured the San Felipe Baraja castle that attracts many tourists for its history. I was in the bar restaurant, the Player, a place very famous for being a small island and its delicious food. I tasted the Cartagena cake, one of the typical foods of the Christmas season. The food that I liked the most was the coconut rice accompanied by fish and green banana. On my vacation, I enjoyed the snorkel sport that allow contact, get married, natural and practice freebird sport with lots of the adrenaline.